Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to convert video to audio on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap the name field at the top, rename it something like Converter, and press Done. Now tap the information icon at the bottom and enable Show in Share Sheet. Tap Done. Next, tap where it says Receive any input, clear all options, and select Media only. Press Done. Then tap Add Action and search for Encode Media. Tap it, expand the action, and enable Audio Only. Now tap Add Action again, search for Save File, and tap it. Expand the action and enable Ask Where to Save. Press Done. To convert a video, open the Photos app, select a video, tap the share icon, scroll down, and select your shortcut. Choose a location to save the audio. Open the Files app, and your audio file will be there. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.